It's been a long 5 years that I've been here on YouTube. Yep, 5 years. My last couple of videos in 2025, I decided I really was going to lean into vlogging more, especially during the gaps when I don't have a DIY or a makeover to post. But if I'm being honest, I've never felt like my days were vlog worthy. At least with DIYs, I felt like I was giving value. Vlogging, it feels different. I also know that if I want to grow, I have to be consistent. And realistically, I cannot draw a brand new DIY video every week. I still have to work and sleep and eat and occasionally touch grass. But I do have a life, says the person inside on Valentine's Day. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. It's actually not morning anymore. It's 12:37. So it's been a long time since I've been on here. It was either the end of November or beginning of December. I'm not sure. So anyway, we're vlogging today. That's what we're doing. I got some stuff in from Amazon today. I already opened up some of the stuff. This little speaker that I got this for Christmas from one of my coworkers. We did a gift exchange. And the reason why I put this on my list is because I wanted a speaker in my bathroom because I like to watch my iPad when I'm in here. But then when I get in the shower, I can't hear it. It has this like little loop on here where I can hook it. So I don't have anything to hang it on yet. But it's so cute and it coordinates with my bathroom because I do have these colors in here. I'm really happy with that and it sounds good. So yeah, I got that, but that wasn't part of my Amazon shipment. But the shower curtain was, so I hung that because you know, a shower curtain just get pretty after a while. You can Clorox it down, but it still just don't get clean enough. Hello? No, I'm awake.
Yeah, I would have called you. Yeah, I tried to find something for that.
I just put this on. Aquaphor lip protectant. It's got sunscreen in it. I got this vitamin C. I did open it already and it's like an orange color. I don't really like that. I like the clear ones. There's something about it being orange just weirds me out. I've been using this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint. The whole time I've been using this, I thought this had sunscreen in it. So for years, I have been outside in the elements with no sunscreen. So I was looking online yesterday trying to figure out what's the best sunscreen that won't leave a cast on my face. And this one kept coming up. Eucerin Tinted Sensitive Mineral Zinc Oxide Protectant. So basically this is like a sunscreen and it's supposed to like leave your skin real dewy. And I love a dewy look, especially because I'm dry. The other thing that I got is this right here. This is a Biodance Bio Collagen Real Deep Mask. This is my first time buying a TikTok made me buy it. I probably should make a little TikTok video. I don't know if you can see. Let me like put you in the light. But I have like dryness here, like around here. A little bit of dryness on my forehead. Just want you to really get a good look of what I look like. And I probably should take my cell phone and do like a before picture and an after picture so you can see what this mask does for my face. iPhone really do make you look crazy. Look at me. Now, if I was to take this picture on TikTok using the TikTok app, it would be cute. No filter, no nothing. Just straight up be on TikTok. Why is it dark though? It's dark, but you see how much cuter I look? Look at my skin. Like, girl, your skin is already perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna use like my regular camera on my phone to make a TikTok video. So I've been gone for a while, I know. It's February 14th, so I should really be taking care of me because ain't no man taking care of me. Anyway, I was on TikTok while I was there. I kept seeing people post these masks right here. I'm gonna do this, like the influencers do. I didn't order it from TikTok. I went on Amazon because I wanted to see people that were wearing them that weren't trying to sell them. And people's skin looked really, really moisturized. I already washed my face. I used this product, this little skin stuff that came from Family Dollar. Then I used this little blade or whatever. And I used this to like scrape off all the dry, dead skin. So my face has like a fresh layer of skin to like absorb the product. Dermablading. So I did that. Then I used this Aveeno. And the reason why I use this is because I wanted to be gentle on my skin. I just put my skin through a whole lot of stuff. Now I do have a pimple right here. Yeah, I woke up with that this morning. She said it's Saturday. Let's hang out. So anyway, I'm gonna put this on. All right, so this is what the package looks like. Just like they look on everybody else's page. I got 2 cameras, y'all. Oh yeah, this stuff is like very delicate. Now I don't know where to put this. I'm gonna put it here because I feel like I really need it here on these little laugh lines. Why is this video 4 minutes? Wait a minute, this does go on your lips because look how it's shaped. That's definitely for your lips. Which lip am I gonna put it on? And this is for your mouth. It's stuck to my face really easily without a problem. It sticks easily, but it tears easily. So, okay, alrighty. I think I'll just, should I put these on my lips? I don't think we necessarily have to use these. I just think that these are cutouts from the eye holes and the mouth holes, and you can just use them if you want to. Like if I want a snack or something, this would not work. Anyway, this is what we look like right now. I'm gonna let this sit for how long? What does it say? After cleaning, prepare the skin with toner or serum. I should have read this first. I did not put toner or serum on my face. Leave it on for at least 3 to 4 hours or until it turns transparent. I'm gonna be here all day. I want to go do stuff. And I put this mask on. I forgot that they keep it on for a long time, but we'll be back. I'm back. Is my microphone on? It's at 50%. I forgot to charge it. I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and mop the floor. I did some cleaning up yesterday, but I didn't mop. So I want to do that today. I'm gonna mop. I'm gonna spray. Unfortunately, I live in an apartment and we have had an issue with bugs. The bug that everybody hates, if you know what I'm talking about. We keep it clean, we wash dishes, we never leave anything in the sink. I wipe down every day. I think I have a nasty neighbor. So I bought some home defense. I'm gonna spray that. And then I'm gonna shower and take this off because after I spray that, I just wanna make sure I don't have anything on my skin. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna listen to something and I'll just put you on time lapse, so fast forward. So you can watch me clean up. I've actually thought about quitting this channel. I'll take this off. Not because I hate it, but because sometimes showing your real life on the internet feels weird. Like I'm literally in here mopping my floor on Valentine's Day, spraying for bugs, and letting strangers watch it. And there's always that little voice, like maybe keep some things to yourself. But then there's another voice that's like, this is actually your life. I think what I'm learning is authentic doesn't mean confident. Sometimes authentic just means showing up even when it's awkward, even when it's not cute or aesthetic. And as someone who really wants to focus on doing home and DIY content, that's kind of difficult because I like for things to be styled and put together, and I'm just not there yet. So we are back. I took my shower after cleaning, and now I'm gonna take this mask off. And I do want to finish my little video I was filming. So I'm gonna do that. So I'll just pop in what I filmed here on your screen so you can see it. And I'll put on 30 HD. You see that I got shorts on. Not that flattering. All right, guys, it's been hours. Let me show you the up close of what this mask looked like. It's transparent now. That's what it does. We're at 3 to 4 hours or when it turns transparent. I ate with this mask on. I did a little house cleaning. I showered and now I'm gonna take it off. And hopefully my eyebrows don't hurt. Because it's on my hair. What do I think about it? What do I think about it? Probably would have worked out a lot better if I would put the serum on like I was supposed to. I feel like my face is not as dewy as I expected it to be, but it's not bad. Let me come back to you. in the comments if y'all knew about this. No, that's not no one. All right, so I'm gonna sit in here and do my little nails. So what do you guys think about my skin? I think the video that I did on my phone will be more of what I see, because I can see a lot of imperfections in my skin that I normally don't see whenever I'm looking at footage that I take from this camera. So my skin may look super smooth and like nice to you guys here, but you'll see from the iPhone footage what it really looks like. And I made sure not to do it in the app. That way you get a realistic look of my skin. All right, so I have another little nail sticker thing, and they're the same brand. One's just, the package is bigger. But I think I want to do this one. I wish I would have did these yesterday, but it's okay, we're doing them today. Today turned into a self-care day, but I needed it. I'm gonna put my little Grace. This is Philosophy. My aunt bought it for me for Christmas. I have the shower gel in the shower, and then this is the body lotion. I already put this on, so now I'm gonna put this on. It smells so good. It's a really light, clean scent. I'm gonna take my microphone off. Oh, she's calling me. Hold on one second.
You busy?
No, I'm fine. I'm just sitting here getting ready to put some stickers on my fingernails. So this hand is done. Now I need to put like some oil on it so my hand doesn't look so dry. And it's not the cutest, but it looks better than what it normally looks like. Like that's my normal hand, and this is the done hand. So now I gotta do my left hand. This is gonna be the challenging one. And oh, while I was on the phone, I was telling my friend about the face mask, and I was talking about how my skin looks, and it actually does look better. Like, let me look at my skin on my phone. Oh, I took a picture. Y'all, look at my skin. It does look good. Besides this little zit right here, this little pimple, it looks good. I think when I first took the mask off, my skin just needed to breathe a little bit. I didn't put anything on my face. I have nothing. I just peeled the mask off, and I've been sitting here putting my little nails on. That's it. I like it. It's a good mask. All right, guys. I got 4 minutes and 27 seconds left on this SD card, and my battery's about to down this DJI. So I'm gonna put this lip scrub on. You know what? I don't have the doggone thumbnail. I don't know what I'm gonna use for a thumbnail because I've been looking crazy this whole vlog. I guess I could just like take some of these beauty products and take a cute little picture of it. I'll probably do that in the morning. I have 3 different lip scrubs. I got this from TJ Maxx or something. I'm gonna go with the vitamin C one. That's the one I'm gonna use. And what's the brand on this? It just says Lip Scrub and Polish Collection, Body Prescriptions. And it has vitamin C, coconut, and rose water. So, like I said, I picked the vitamin C one. It has a very light scent. It smells kind of clean, I guess. I feel like the little sugar cubes on here are so big. They're super big. It's not sandy at all. I think what I'll do in the morning is take like a wet paper towel and lay it on my lips. And then whatever dead skin is left, it'll just slide right off. All right, guys, so that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'm off tomorrow, so I think I'll do another vlog tomorrow. Maybe we can get out of the house. But anyway, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a good night. Have a good day. Whatever it is, just enjoy it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.